it's been a while. The last video, actually, I had to check before I came out today. The last video went out on the 25th of August. Sorry. I have to say, the bike has kind of taken over a bit, in a way that the spare time I have, I thought I would have more spare time, obviously, with the new job, which I'll update you on, because I only do 4 days a week. But it would seem the spare time I have, I'm spending time up at the garage on the bike, and then other time it's doing obviously the normal bits around the house and stuff like that. So I've not been making time to do this, which is a bit daft of me, and I feel quite bad for it, to be honest, because I was doing it really well, I was in a routine, I was going on with it, and I just kind of fell by the wayside, and it's my own fault, it really is. So I'm going to try and get back into the swing of things again. So, hence this video, bit of an update, and then hopefully we can carry on from there. Good morning. Quick stop here at the garage to pick up a few things before I go and get said project bike. Looking forward to this. I've got a mate of mine waiting. It's going to take me through, so yeah. It's a good day. Good day. It's always good when you get something new. Well, you and me. As you'll see soon, it ain't new. But, to me, it's worth it. Right, so back from Perth from picking up the bike. Smoothly, able to tie it down fine. No issues at all. It's exactly what I thought. It needs work. But, that's why it's a project bike. It's actually quite exciting having it here. It really is. So without further ado, I'll introduce you.
You know who made it.
So there we are. That's the WK-SP125. I got it cheap, I'll tell you that later on in another episode. But it's got an issue with apparently the power is not getting to the starter motor. So I'm going to have to diagnose that and have a look at things. I've got a few ideas as to what it could be, but I'm going to have to diagnose it properly, I think. Well, the engine has had a bit of a rebuild as well in the past 4 or 5 months. Because the owner that I just got it off of got it and there was cracked rod in the engine, I think. He's going to send me all the photos over, so I'll probably put them on in another episode. So that's all been taken apart, cleaned up, rebuilt. But the issue we've got now is the fact that there's no power going to the starter. So I'm thinking it could be the starter solenoid, but I don't know for sure. We're doing a bit of Googling and we'll see. But no, thought I'd introduce you, and there's plenty more to come on this. New starter motor today, and hopefully I can get the engine turning over now. So we'll see how we go. Unbelievable. Doing it wrong. Far about do a wee bit of cleaning, and then this happened. Yeah, it's making a noise from the engine. Let's see if I can go again, right? So that's the. I mean, Jesus. Right. So, do I now connect the tank, put some fuel in, and see if it'll start? I think I'm gonna have to. I'm just gonna have to do it.
Feel the rhythm, feel the night, yeah. Party till the morning light. Every beat, we're flying high.
Right, so I'm going to try this again, okay? So, this is working very well, isn't it? So back to the bike. I'm going to have to rebuild the car, which isn't a major thing. Get everything connected back up. Got a new spark plug. My worry is I have cross-threaded the hole, or the threads, for putting the spark plug in. So I'm going to see what happens, and we'll try and get it running today. There'll be a bit of fiddling about, but we'll try and get this all sorted today. I want to hear this thing run. Oh, so annoying. So I've got it all plumbed back up and plugged in. But I seem to have a ground issue somewhere because the battery's not doing it. Even though it was fully charged, it's not doing anything apart from heating up the wires. So I've got a grounding issue somewhere now. So now let's try and dig into that.